What is going on? It's your boy Ski from Side Hustle Dude TV, and today we're going to be going over the market. We're going to be going over XRP news, and we're going to be going over, is Ethereum dead? Alright, so let's get into it.
Damn, hustling every
Today, the market, we got some major movers. It's kind of a mixed bag with the market, man. ALT is up. ADA, Cardano is up. You know, we're holding that. Ooh. It's probably going to be going to like $5 in the future. Is any of the ones that we like. Pro, ooh, 45. That's a good price to be getting in at. Crow is down, fellas and ladies. Polkadot, that's a good one right here. Alright, let's head over to... Look, you guys, I drew this up, and it's almost like hitting it to a T. Look at this. So if it follows the head and shoulders pattern, like we talked about last week or whatever, if it follows the head and shoulders pattern like we talked about last week, we're going to be looking at 52,000s, and I have a price alert on my phone for right now. We're at 42,700, but I have a price point. My phone will alert me when it gets about right here, 49,999, and then also down here at 31,000, because I think this is what's going to happen, in my opinion, in my unprofessional opinion, okay? I think that it's going to go up with this head and shoulders along the way, and along this way on the ride back up to 52 to 58,000, somewhere in there. Along that way, the altcoins are going to pump, bro. Dash is going to pump. Cardano is going to pump. Polkadot is gonna pump, Litecoin is gonna pump, and then we're gonna peak up here somewhere between 50 to 58,000, and it's gonna go back down. And when it goes down, this is a super bearish sign, and we're looking at like the very bottom, in my opinion, is gonna be somewhere between $20 to $30,000. So when it hits 31,000, I'm going to start buying very heavy my long-term plays. And for me, my long-term plays are coins that are finite amount, that get more scarce, such as Bitcoin, such as QNT, Quant, such as Ravencoin. Coins like that are, for me, are long-term plays. Which brings me into my next point. So I watched this video, shout out to Tech Lead, and he basically explores this idea that Ethereum is dead because it's worse, because it's moving into like the space of solely transactions and smart contracts, but it's worse than a lot of other coins, such as... it's worse than Polkadot, it's worse than Cardano, it's worse than XRP. It's worse than a lot of other coins because it can only handle 30 transactions per second, where Cardano can handle like 2,500, Polkadot can handle like 6,500. So it's a lot worse than these coins, which pains me to say because, I mean, honestly, Ethereum is the back of my whole mining operation over here. I built that all on the back of Ethereum. But he explores the idea that all of those sort of transactional smart contracts are less of a investment and more of a commodity, and they're sort of, you know, you're not going to need to hold it. Anyways, I'm just going to play a little bit of it He's saying like, um, basically what he's saying in the video is all the coins eventually they funnel back into Bitcoin. So instead of, you know, sort of speculating on everything else, why not just hodl Bitcoin, especially if it goes to 20K like I think it's going to.
If you saw my video on Ethereum the other day about why I sold all of my Ethereum and why I believe that some of these tech companies, it becomes abstracted away, nobody even cares about it, I would say that at this point, scalability, the quality of the blockchain, how many transactions it can do, how fast it is, does not really matter so much.
Anyway, it's a pretty cool video. You guys might want to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description down here. But basically, to sum it up, he's saying that all these smart contract coins, such as Polkadot, Solana is probably the best one, to be honest. Ethereum, Cardano, like all these smart contract transactional coins are going to sort of eat each other up. And there's not going to be a need to really hold it because you're just going to use the cheapest one. It's probably going to be Solana. And you should focus more on Bitcoin, or AKA coins that are a finite amount, such as QNT, Bitcoin, Ravencoin. These all have a finite amount. And the more I think about it, it definitely makes sense. I don't think it'd be... I would definitely hold a little bit, but Bitcoin, I think you could just hold Bitcoin and you'd be just fine with that. So, and like, look, here's a perfect example. So this is my Ethereum mining pool over here on Ethereum. I think this is on ethereum.org. Yeah, this is ethereum.org. And these are my 4 rigs that I got set up on Ethereum, and I have $380 just chilling in Ethereum when we're about to be in a bear market. Like, I do not want it to be just chilling in Ethereum, because Ethereum could easily go to 2,800. So I don't want it just chilling right now. I'd rather have it locked up in a stable coin like USDC or whatever. But the reason is because of this right here. I have my payout set at 70 Gwei, which is like $6, something like that. So I would pay $6 in order for me to get this money. But look at the gas fees, man. This is ridiculous. Like, the whole time, Ethereum has just been crapping on the miners, and they call them like leeches and all this other crap. And they're moving to proof of stake, Ethereum 2.0. because it's supposed to fix the gas fees, and the gas fees are freaking higher and higher. So that's why I'm like, dude, like, he could easily be right. Ethereum could be dead, honestly. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be shifting, especially in the bear market. I'm going to be hodling as much of the finite coins as I can, such as Bitcoin, QNT, Ravencoin, etc., Helium, HNT, etc., etc. Speaking of Ravencoin, here is a look at my solo mining farm. I'm at 47% luck, which means like, it means like once you get to 100%, it means based on the hash power, you should have hit a block by now. It's saying 0. I guess it was 30 days ago when I hit a block, but I've hit a block. Yeah, here you go. Total paid $468. That was the block that I hit. And then today's reward is $234 based on the price, or 2,462 Raven, which is what I'm more concerned about, because Ravencoin halves every 4 years and it becomes more finite, and there's only ever going to be 21 billion Ravencoin. So therefore, this is going to go up and up over time. So 2,500 Ravencoin could easily be worth 25 grand at some point in the future. Let's see here. Yeah, so just here's some more like, this is a website claiming sort of the same things. It takes 10 to 15 seconds per one transaction on Ethereum, where Solana like can handle up 50,000 transactions per second. So basically, like, yeah, like I would always explain to people that Bitcoin is digital gold and Ethereum is digital silver, like gold and silver. But like, I don't think so anymore. I think that what is his name? Tech Lead. Yeah, shout out to Tech Lead. I think he's right that Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, XRP, all the smart contract type coins, they're less of a asset and more of a commodity, and that you're just going to use whichever one has the least amount of gas fees, which, I mean, is probably going to be Solana, to be honest with you. It is weird, the sort of conspiracy that is against XRP. This court stuff, it's gonna take XRP, according to like the charts, is supposed to really pump with the altcoins, but I don't know if it's going to be able to. I think it might miss the pump because of all this court stuff, because you can't even buy it on most exchanges. So yeah, I think XRP could very well miss the little pump. Yeah, but I mean, look, Dash is down. Dash is about to pump, y'all. Dash is about to pump. Not financial advice, but I am stacking some Dash, and I got some price targets of 1,000 per coin. I'll be selling. And then Raven, my price target is $10 per coin. I'll start selling at $1. Uniswap is up. That's cool. But yeah, that's it for this time. That's most of the crypto news. Polkadot's another one of these like exchange. But yeah, that's it for this time with the crypto news update, the market update. If you're new here and you want to learn how to become financially free, this is what my channel is all about. If that sounds cool to you, not just in crypto, I also go over real estate, dividends, the stock market, you name it. If it has to do with financial freedom, because my channel is all about faith, family, finances, and freedom. And honestly, finances is just another form of freedom. So if you want to learn how to become financially free, consider subscribing to my channel. If not, you want the government to solve your problems, might not be the channel for you. But that's it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity.
Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every